Hi there everyone. This is Ashmita from Saurabh's classes. आज की क्लास में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 को सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. Consider the following statements in respect of the Constitution Day. Statement 1 कह रहा है the Constitution Day is celebrated on the 26th of November every year to promote the constitutional values among the citizens. जी हाँ, ये बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है Statement 2 on 26th of November 1949 the Constituent Assembly of India set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to prepare a draft constitution of India. Yes, this is also correct. So yes, I'm putting a tick over here. So which one of the following in respect is correct in respect to the above statements? तो यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. So go with letter A, option A. तो इसी तरह के डिस्कशंस करने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को फॉलो कर सकते हैं.